Our firm represents a lot of entrepreneurs and startup entities, and one question we get very often is, how do I set up a business in the U.S. and obtain a visa to do that, to manage the company? Oftentimes, in many cases, there are two main visa category options to pursue that. One is the E2 or E1 visa, which is for treaty investors and treaty traders. And the other is the L1 visa, which is a visa for intercompany transferees. The E2 visa is only available to individuals from a country with which the U.S. has a treaty. That is why it's called the treaty investor visa. And it requires that the investor make a substantial at-risk investment into setting up a business that will essentially benefit the U.S. economy and ultimately create jobs down the line. That visa does require that you put your investment at risk and essentially bring the company to the point of being operational before you apply for your visa. But it is quite often and heavily used by investors. The other visa program that is most often used, as I mentioned, is the L1 visa. It does require that the individual be transferring from a foreign office with which he or she has been working for at least a year and be extending that office into the U.S. The individual does have to prove that he or she will assume a managerial or a specialized knowledge role in the U.S. office, and if that can be proven, then the government grants the L visa to run and grow the company from there.